All right, y'all, buckle up because I have a wow update on my journey to becoming a cloud engineer. This path has been anything but easy. But let me tell you, every struggle, every late night, every study session, and every challenge has been worth it. And guess what? I'm still pushing forward. Let's break it all down. So, right now, I'm knee deep in the software development course with Course Careers, and I've officially crossed the 46% mark, almost at 50. Not gonna lie, this front end section has been a challenge, but React JS is actually kind of fun. I worked in it a little bit before in the previous boot camp I was in, but now I feel like I'm really getting the proper deep dive that I've always wanted. That said, I know this is just the beginning. The front end work is giving me a solid foundation before I dive into the back end, which is only going to make me a better cloud engineer in the long run. That's the goal. All right. So, on top of React, I'm also grinding hard for security plus certification. I know you guys are like, when is she going to take this security plus? But honestly, what I realized after doing a lot of practice tests and a little more studying and everything, I identified my weak points, and that is cryptography. I'm going to say cryptocurrency. That might be a weak point too, but cryptography and penetration testing are like areas that I really need to hone in on because I can't remember if those were on 601. They probably were, but I think that's kind of like where I got the study fatigue and kind of slowed down a little bit towards the end of the book. So it would make sense that I would kind of be struggling with those. So I really need to hone in on those topics and really dig into to the subject and everything, and make sure that I got it and I can explain or be able to identify, the meanings of whatever the question is, and I really understand the question from a standpoint of, oh, this is why it's this and this is why it isn't that. So so cryptography and pen testing are my weak points that I need to work on. So I'm really trying to make sure that I have those down, and there's no question when those questions come around for me to be able to easily identify the answer, or to at least get enough right so that I pass the exam. Okay. And what else is going on right now? So I'm fully enrolled in WGU, which I will be starting. I scheduled it so that I can start after I finish the specialty with Course Careers, because with Course Careers, after you do the fundamental front and back end, then you pick a specialty. You pick whether or not you want to specialize in front end development, or specialize in back end development, or specialize in DevOps, which I picked DevOps. So that's like more close related to my interests. That's more close related to cloud computing. Is basically cloud computing and everything. And DevOps is really one of the areas that's really going to be important to deploying AI technology and continuously deploying software. So so it's something that I've been kind of wanting to get into for quite some times. I really like the work that the DevOps team would do when I was a UX designer, and I would work with the software engineers and just kind of going through those testing processes and getting everything to deployment with safety and you know as with limited hiccups as they possibly could do. I think that strategizing and building the architecture and stuff that goes along with that, and utilizing the tools that you use to implement that is something that's very intriguing to me. So, yeah. So anyway, so the good thing about WGU is that after I transfer all of my credits and my college credits, and also my associate's degree and my certificates, I am about 30% through the course. So that's a ooh, yay. So that was definitely something that I was really excited about because with my college degree, of course, it covers all the general education. And they couldn't take my previous programming class because it was so long ago. It was over 5 years. So I had some programming in my community college, some courses that I took. They were like in .NET, so, and it was a long time ago. So don't ask me any .NET questions yet. and and so basically those didn't transfer, but my certificates did. So I do have CompTIA ITF plus. I got that by being enrolled at Pass It On in Maryland. So big up to them because they helped me get that certificate. And I also have my certified Scrum Master certificate, which I've had that for a few years now. So those cover two classes. So about probably combine about 6 to 7 courses because some classes are 4 credits and some are 3 credits. So, and then the good thing about obtaining Security Plus is that with Security Plus, that also covers another course. So once I pass that, they cover another course. The only certificate that did not transfer in was my AZ 900, but that's because I am doing a software engineering degree. I was doing networking and security before, but I decided that the software engineering just made more sense with my UX background. Everything would just kind of flow, and it'll be an easy transition into cloud computing and then DevOps with the software engineering degree. So basically, the AZ 900 didn't transfer, so I'll have to obtain AWS cloud practitioner certificate either before. If I get it before, then I just don't have to take the class. If I don't get it before I enroll, then I'll just take the course, and then I have to sit for the test in order to get the credit for the course. So for the class or the course or whatever you want to call it. So that's totally fine with me. So, just more certificates under my belt. So that works out really, really good. So I'm really excited about all of this. I mean, the journey, the struggle is real, but look, it is what it is. With everything that's going on today in the world, 2025, all of this drama going on, you can't do anything but strategize and skill up and just, stay ready so you ain't got to get ready, okay? So, yeah, so this is definitely the climax of my journey where I am right now. But I'm really, really excited, about it. The struggle is real, but, I'm not scared of the struggle. I ain't no punk. So just have to keep it moving, okay? All right. So, what is next? So let's see. So more React, more Security Plus studying, and getting my game plan together for WGU. It's a lot, but I'm ready. So I have to make it happen. So if you're on your cloud journey or tech journey, drop a comment below. What are you working on? Let me know. And if you found this helpful and relatable, smash that like button and subscribe because we're just getting started. Okay? So let's bang this out together. All right? So I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So all the comments that you guys are leaving, some of you are contacting me on different social media platforms and everything. And, you are kind of like in the same position as me. So let's keep it moving. Let's stay encouraged. Let's keep encouraging each other. And I definitely appreciate all of you all's encouragement and support. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated, and let's win together. All right? Peace.